What's up guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. In this video I will be showing you how to design the YouTube logo as well as the YouTube subscribe button. Here's what it looks like. There's different versions of the YouTube logo, so I designed two of it. The first one is this one, where the red circular box is the background of tube. And then the other one where it's just YouTube and the red box with the white arrow and the subscribe button as well. So stick around till the end if you want to learn how to design the YouTube logo and the subscribe button. And also, before you guys watch the video, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe. It would really mean a lot. Anyways, let's get started. So first I'll create my boilerplate code, and then inside my body tags I'll create a container, so I'll give it an ID of container. Then inside of that I'll do div class equals version, and then ID equals version 1. And then inside of this div I'll create 3 span tags, so span times 3. Put them on different lines, so enter, and then class equals version, whoops, I meant to give an ID as well, so ID equals version 1 text. Why? What? How did I end up over here? That doesn't make sense. Anyways, version 1. It's supposed to be a colon. Then I'll give this a class of text as well. Actually, all 3 of these will have a class of text. And then for this, I'll give an ID of, and then tube, like that. Make sure the T is capitalized. This will be U, ID equals U. And now I'll create another div and give it a class of version as well, so I can style all of the version tags simultaneously. I'm in version class, then I'll give this an ID of version 2. And then inside of that I'll create a span tag and give it a class of text. ID equals version 1 text 2, and then div ID equals, and I'll just leave it blank, and then div ID equals white triangle. I'll leave that blank. Then I'll create another span tag and give it a class of text, an ID of U, to make sure the Y and T are capitalized, because that's how YouTube spelled. Okay, now I have to create a few more divs and we'll be done with the HTML, but we still have one. Luckily, we don't have to use any JavaScript, so it's just HTML and CSS. This is what it looks like right now. Pretty ugly, huh? Don't worry. It'll look much better afterwards. Anyways, div class equals version. ID equals subscribe button. Subscribe. Two more divs, I think it will be done. Div, if I can just spell it correctly. Div equals white lock. Div ID equals another white. Terrible ID name because it's super long, but that. And now we can start doing some CSS. So first I'll give the tube, well actually first I have to create those 2 styles, then I can start styling my elements. First I'll style my tube ID and give it a background color of RGBA 240 0 0, then opacity of 1, and now it's red, which is what we wanted. Then we'll style the text class and give all of the text a font size of 5 REM, font family of sans serif, which I'm pretty sure is what they used for the actual YouTube logo, but I'm not sure, I just eyeballed it. And then ID U, font weight bold. Then after that we'll style version 1 ID, display flex, justify content, border 4 pixels solid white, width 30%, so we're going to restrain it to only 30% of the available width. Okay, it's looking a little better now. It's much easier to read since it's big. 15 pixel. Then I'll style ID version 1 text, font weight bold, font size 3 REM. Wait, we're not done yet. Display flex, line items, center, so it will just center everything. There we go. And then we're gonna style the version. So we're gonna give them all a display of flex, justify content center, and then border 4 pixel solid white, then width 30%, padding 15% per pixel, and then I'll style the red block. Obviously I'm gonna give it a color red. So width, first I'll do the width. Width 185.5 pixels, height forgot the T, 112 pixels, background color RGBA, so what RGBA there, 240 0 0 1, and then border is border radius, and now we have the pill shaped YouTube logo. We still have to style the white triangle, which we can't even see because it's not even there yet. So we'll do width 0 0, height 0, border top 25 pixel solid transparent, border left 50 pixels solid white, border bottom 25 pixel solid transparent, position relative, then right 95 pixels, top 29 pixels, and we're done. Now I'm going to style my YouTube ID, which I'll give a position of relative, and then top 10 pixel, font weight bold, right 20 pixel, and I'll style my subscribe button. Width 350 pixels, height 92 pixel, background color RGBA 240 0 0 1, border radius 13 pixel, position relative, cursor pointer, color white, font family sans serif. I hope you guys are following along so far. Display flex, justify content, flex and align, items, center, left 200 pixel, margin, top 20 pixel. Let's see how it looks so far. Okay, it's looking pretty nice. Now I'll have to do another white triangle, and then the same thing, I'll give it a width of 0, height of 0, border top 20.25 pixels, solid make sure I did the same thing for the other one, transparent, border left 40.5, solid RGBA 240 0 0 1, border bottom 20.25 pixel, solid transparent. Then I'll do position relative, left 262 pixel, bottom 140 pixel, and now I'm gonna adjust the position of the container. Position relative, left 90 pixel, I'm at 900, top 250 pixels. Then I'll give the entire browser a background color of yellow. Okay, I guess I forgot to style this, so I'll do that real quick. So what was the name of it? YouTube. Color should be white. What? No, I think it was this one too. Where was it? I think it was somewhere at the top. Color white, font weight bold. Okay, that's much better. What's the color of the YouTube logo again? YouTube logo. Okay, I was right. The text inside of the red, white. I did that correctly. I just forgot to give it a border radius, 15 pixel, 20 pixel, version 1. I'll give it a Wait, why is the border not showing up? Oh, that's right, because I gave it a border of white. There we go. And now we just have to find the white triangle. Oh, it's right. Never mind. I need to inspect this real quick. Inspect white triangles, which means the other white triangle must be another white triangle. So it should be white, not red. Let me change this. I think this is where I went. No, I'll just change it to blue, something obvious I can see, something conspicuous. Maybe move it to the left 560 pixels. Does it even exist at all? I cannot find it. How about I change the background to something different, like maybe green? Nope, can't find it. So first I'll just give this a padding of 10 pixels. Oh, sorry about all this, guys. I sort of messed up. I can't find the white triangle that I'm talking about for the subscribe button. I'll just maybe give it a width of 100 pixels. It's not showing up anywhere on the screen. How about I just retype all that? Width 0 pixel height. Whoops. Width 0, height 0. Border top 20.25 pixel. Solid transparent. Border left, and then 40.5 pixel solid RGBA 240001. I'll keep it red for now and see if it's working or not. Border bottom 20.25 pixel solid transparent position relative left 262 pixel, bottom 140 pixel. Yep, finally shows up. Let's change it to white. Okay, good. Now we just have to lower it a little bit, so almost perfect. Maybe make it a little bigger. Increase it by, let's say, I don't know, maybe 3 pixels. And then this should be like 5, 3. Okay. We're almost there, guys. And what does the subscribe button look like again? Okay, so it has a red, it's inside of a red box. Yep. So maybe 70 pixels. Move it to the left to only 252 pixels. And there you guys. There you go. We're done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about all of the yeah, you know, messed up. If you guys enjoyed the video, I hope you give it a like and subscribe. And you can take my source code, which is all of this, and go try it on your own. Let me know in the comments how it went and if you guys liked it or not, and give me any suggestions for my future videos. And I hope you guys have a good day. See you in my next video.